What's up? I'm Stormy, and today I'm going to teach you how to solo. So, this is going to be a series of major scale soloing, and this is going to be the first video. And we're going to be doing Ionian mode. There's 7 modes. The first one is Ionian. That's all I'm going to teach you today. So, or else you're going to get confused. So, when we're talking about modes, we're going to be in a certain key. So you will be able to play this one mode in any key and it'll always be the same. So I'm going to teach you this in G. We're going to start in G. So whenever you're playing this mode, you're going to have to play it in a song that's in the key of G. So Ionian mode, it looks like this. If you follow the chord chart up here, then you can play with me. And then you can take it backwards. If you notice, I'm playing in patterns. So as you can see, the first 2 patterns are, you spread your fingers apart, and it's the first 3. 1. Okay. And the second 2 is the 2 front fingers. And every time you go to the B string, you have to go down 1 because of the tuning. So every time you go to the B string, always skip down 1. So this time I'm playing with these 2 end fingers, the ring fingers. And as you can see the pattern. It's that same pattern. 2, then the first 2, and then 3. Skip. So if you can't spread your fingers that wide, make sure with your index finger, make sure your thumb is right behind it. Make sure your thumb is right behind the index. See where my thumb is? Right behind the index finger. You should be able to stretch your fingers to play that way. So now, all you're gonna have to do, hold on, let me cut my phone on. This is how you learn your modes quickly. Cut my Bluetooth on. And then acoustic. All right, so I'm connected. Now, you're gonna go to YouTube. You just learned the Ionian mode in G. So you're gonna go to YouTube and you're gonna find backing track in G major, because this is G major. Find a sound that you like, and you're gonna practice this Ionian mode until you can memorize it back and forth. Switch the key, switch up the notes that you play and everything, so just so you can get it once you get it. So let's see. I'm gonna play a jam in G. You're gonna see me play.
Daddy Arrow helps you get your business online in minutes with the power of AI. With the perfect name.
That's all you're gonna do until you can get it down pat. You can even do slides. get musical. It's okay if you mess up. Just keep going. Don't forget that skip. Skip down. So if you don't have to do all those slides right now, don't even worry about that. Just play regular until you can memorize. Don't even do anything but until you memorize everything. Then once you memorize it, then you can start doing all that other stuff. You can even skip strings. It doesn't matter if you mess up because you can only get better from there. Now, once you finish in G, now if you don't know your notes, shame on you. I will create a video series on learning how to memorizing the notes on your fretboard. But right now we're doing soloing. So once you do that in G, you're gonna go to another key. Let's say backing track in the key of A major. Go to another key. The song has to be in that key in order for it to sound good. So now you went to G. Now you're going to go to A and play the same patterns in A key. So if you're playing a song with a band and they're playing a song in an A major key, then you are good to go. You can play, you can solo. So we're gonna play a track on A major. Now if you don't like the track, just switch it up.
Into its very own mobile app and allow your readers to install it directly on.
And here's an A major, and you can hear it sounds good because you're playing in A, the same pattern. So you see how it sounds good in any key that you're playing, as long as it's in the same key. Now, as far as your fingers, make sure that you keep your two fingers here so you can know where you're at and pull it in. This is how you hold it. This is how I hold it, but make sure it's comfortable for you, okay? Can you see how I'm holding my pick? So you keep these two fingers right here on the board, and that way you can have stability when you're playing down here and you won't slip and things like that. So your homework will be to find those backing tracks in different keys and play them in every single key until you memorize the pattern. This is Ionian mode. Now, don't move forward until you memorize this pattern. And I will create the next video for you to go to the next video. Okay, so that's your homework. Pause this. If you forgot the pattern already, go back to the beginning. Pause it. Go find you a backing track and play. All right, and you can even record yourself and leave it down below. And, I'll check you out. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but I'm straight to the point. If you have any questions you want me to teach you something else, or if you have any questions about this particular thing, then leave it in the comment section below and then I will respond to you. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.